Selling things online has become an exciting and profitable venture for many entrepreneurs. In this video, we'll explore the best strategies on how to sell things online and make money, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge to succeed. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your existing business, these tips will help you thrive in the digital marketplace. And by the way, the first step to making money online is building your e-commerce website. And the best platform to do that is Shopify. Now, if you would like to build your own e-commerce store, then make sure to take advantage of my special offer where you can have your first month of Shopify for just $1. 1 month for $1. So take advantage of that. And if you would like to do that, make sure to use my link in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. First thing, find a niche. To stand out in the crowded online market, you need to find a niche that sets your business apart. Start by selecting a niche that you're passionate about, as this will keep you motivated and engaged. Research high-demand products within this niche that you can sell at a profitable price point. Understanding your competition is crucial. Analyze their strategies, target audience, and pricing to find ways to improve or differentiate your approach. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to gather insights and inspiration. Deciding on a business idea can be challenging, yes, but it's important to have a clear vision before moving forward. Once you have your idea, draft a business plan that outlines your company's mission, competitive analysis, and marketing strategy. This plan will serve as a roadmap, helping you stay focused and organized as you build your online business. Identify and establish your audience. Knowing your target audience is essential for any successful online business. Your target audience comprises the people most likely to purchase your products. To identify them, conduct surveys and competitor analysis to gather detailed insights. Use customer surveys to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Analyze your competitors' audiences to see who they are targeting and how they are reaching them. Build detailed buyer personas that include demographics, interests, hobbies, and job titles. These personas will guide your marketing efforts, ensuring you reach the right people. Tailor your products and messaging to address the specific needs and desires of your target audience. By focusing on your ideal customers, you can create more effective marketing campaigns and drive higher sales. Choose products to sell. Choosing the right products to sell is a crucial decision that will impact your online store's success. Start first by identifying high-demand products within your chosen niche. Determine whether you will manufacture these products yourself, go to a private label route, or source them from suppliers. Consider launching with a single product or a small product line to keep things manageable initially. Conduct thorough market research to ensure there is a demand for your products and that you can price them competitively. High profit margins are important, but your prices should also be attractive to potential customers. Avoid overpricing or underpricing your products, as both can negatively affect your sales. By carefully selecting and pricing your products, you can maximize your chances of success in the online marketplace. Create an online store. Creating an online store is your gateway to reaching customers and selling your products. If you're on a budget, consider starting with an entry-level platform like Shopify's basic plan, which costs just $19 per month. Begin by securing a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Build essential pages for your store, including product, category, about, contact, and FAQ pages. These pages provide crucial information that helps customers trust and engage with your business. Optimize the checkout process to reduce cart abandonment. Solutions like Shop Pay can boost conversion rates by up to 50%. Effective inventory management is also essential to avoid stockouts and keep your customers satisfied. Use inventory management systems to track stock across multiple channels. A well-designed and functional online store will provide a seamless shopping experience and encourage repeat business. Choose your sales channels. Selecting the right sales channels is vital for reaching your target audience and maximizing sales. Your own online store should be your primary sales channel, offering high profit margins and valuable customer data. Complement your store with listings on popular online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay to expand your reach. These platforms expose your products to a larger audience, though they charge transaction and listing fees. Social commerce is another effective channel. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest allow you to sell directly to users. Engage with your audience on these platforms to drive traffic and sales. Consider B2B or wholesale sales to boost volume and enter new markets with less marketing effort. By diversifying your sales channels, you can increase your visibility and reduce dependency on a single platform. This multi-channel approach will help you reach more customers and grow your business. Set up payment processing. Now, to accept payments online, you need a reliable payment processor. This service moves funds from your customer's account to your merchant account, ensuring that all transactions are secure and encrypted. Accepting credit and debit cards is essential, as these are the most popular payment methods for online shoppers. Digital wallets such as ShopPay offer another convenient payment method. They store customers' payment information, allowing them to make purchases with just a few clicks. This reduces friction and can significantly increase conversion rates. Choose your shipping methods. Shipping is a critical part of the online shopping experience, and customers expect fast, free, and reliable options. Domestic shipping is generally cheaper than international, so evaluate different couriers and packaging materials to minimize costs. For international orders, develop a strategy that considers shipping regulations and costs to ensure smooth delivery. Offering omni-channel fulfillment options such as in-house management drop shipping or third-party logistics can enhance your shipping efficiency. Utilize services like Shopify's integrations with major carriers to streamline the process. Meeting customer expectations for shipping will help boost satisfaction and encourage repeat purchases. Promote and market your products. Now, effective promotion is essential to drive traffic and sales to your online store. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to reach your target audience with engaging content. Run paid advertising campaigns on Google Ads and Facebook Ads to increase visibility and attract potential customers. Implement SEO strategies to improve your search engine ranking and drive organic traffic. Partner with influencers to tap into their loyal follower base and boost credibility. A comprehensive marketing strategy will help you spread the word about your products and grow your business. Continuously improve your services. A successful online business requires continuous improvement. Automate time-consuming tasks to free up time for more impactful activities. For example, use tools to automate email marketing, inventory management, and customer service responses. Experiment with in-person commerce by attending local events or hosting pop-up shops. These activities can complement your online sales and provide valuable customer interaction. Additional tips for effectively selling online. Now, your website is your online storefront and should be inviting and user-friendly. Ensure easy navigation, clear product descriptions, high-quality images, fast load times, and a straightforward checkout process. A great user experience reduces cart abandonment rates and improves conversions. Enhancing SEO. Now, search engine optimization is a long-term strategy that increases your visibility in search engine results. Follow SEO best practices, from keyword research to building backlinks, to attract potential customers who are already looking for your products. Partnering with influencers. Influencers can drive significant sales to your online store. Partner with influencers on platforms like Instagram and TikTok to leverage their audience loyalty and boost your sales. Building an email list. Now, email marketing is a direct line of communication with your customers. Encourage people to sign up for your email list and send them regular updates, educational content, and promotions. Offering BNPL options. BNPL stands for Buy Now, Pay Later, like those offered through ShopPay installments. Allow customers to pay for their purchases in installments. This option can capture a broader audience and increase sales. Using quality images and descriptions. Online customers can't physically touch your product, so high-quality photos and thorough descriptions are essential. Provide multiple images from different angles and detailed product information to help customers make informed decisions. Providing excellent customer service. Providing superior customer service can set you apart from competitors. Quick responses to inquiries, easy returns, and resolving issues promptly can build customer loyalty and encourage repeat business. Leveraging social proof. Social proof such as customer reviews, testimonials, ratings, and user-generated content can significantly influence purchasing decisions. People trust the experiences and opinions of others, so showcasing positive feedback can drive sales. Developing a content strategy. Content marketing builds your brand, establishes you as an expert, and drives traffic to your website. Create blogs, videos, podcasts, and newsletters that provide value to your audience beyond just selling products. So, selling things online and making money involves careful planning, strategic marketing, and continuous improvement. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to start and grow a successful online business. And by the way, the first step to building an online business starts by creating your own e-commerce store. And the best platform to build your own store is, of course, Shopify. I have partnered with Shopify to bring you my special offer where you can get your first for just $1. Want to take advantage of that offer? Click the link in the description of this video and you'll be taken to the appropriate page. So, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.